We'll wait. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Austin Make Stuff. This week, got a shop update for you. Outside, got the wall done. Looks great. Here's a video. This was pretty much last weekend's project. Got the whole siding done. It's cedar shingles, and I will come back once it kind of dries out a little bit and put some sealant on it, and it will be great. As you can see, here's our table. Link in the description on our acrylic pour last week. Still looks awesome. And yeah, we're leaving it outside because no big deal. The hardest part of this wall was getting these doors installed, and thank you to my dad, my brother, and my brother-in-law for helping me out on that. Hey, what's up, Jimbo? This is my cat, Jimbo Cat Fisher. Got that installed, and so now I'm moving inside, which is a good thing because the weather outside is pretty bad, kind of misty. This week, what I'm working on is basically the walls in here. I'm ready to get it painted, make it feel like a new space, get the ceiling painted right up here. It's gonna be a nice regular old white color. These walls back here and behind me all be white. On the wall behind you, undecided. I don't know. We're just gonna surprise you with it, I think. What we've been doing since last weekend when we actually got this wall finished is we put plywood on this wall. And I don't have an attention to detail on something. So let me see if you can see. So there's like gaps in the plywood and stuff. And, you know, I planned for it from the beginning. So I've got these pre-primed pieces of plywood from Lowe's, and I threw it up on all the gaps. And it's gonna be nice when it's done. It's called a board and batten wall. I don't think I'm gonna do a video on the board and batten. I'll just make this video that video, so stay tuned to the end of it and you'll see me install some board and batten. Another video series that I've got coming out, it's gonna be a series, is the shiplap wall that we did. You probably caught it in most of my videos. Let's see, it wasn't in the first shop project update, but anyways, you've seen it in some videos. It's this back wall behind the camera right now. But basically, it turns out there's a lot of people that don't know that you can do shiplap without actually going to the Lowe's or big box store and buying wood that has shiplap on it. So there are options that I just kind of want to make people aware of. Oh, I don't want to give too much away. I think I already said too much, so be watching for that. It's going to be a series that comes out. I think I need to get a paint sprayer for it. Honestly, this is a big room, and we've got some project ideas in the future too. So I think I'm going to go ahead and get a paint sprayer again if I can talk Ashton into it. Man, home improvement never ends, you know. I really appreciate y'all watching Austin Make Stuff. Last week's video, the acrylic pour table, it went really well. It got a good response, and I really appreciate everyone watching it. I know Ashton enjoyed making the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Actually, I'm just having fun making videos, so if y'all got any ideas on projects I should do, things I should make, feel free to PayPal me the cost of the materials, and I'll definitely work on it for you. Make sure you subscribe by clicking the button that says subscribe below. That's the shop update this week, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. I'll show me putting up some of this board and batten for a little while. Thanks again for watching. basically I take these, slide it down there. And I know that the trim that I'm putting on this is gonna be this wide. I think it's 4 inches. So I put that trim. So I put that trim where I know it's gonna fall on the door jamb. Where I know it's gonna fall on the door jamb. And then I mark it. And I cut it, and I nail it. And that way when I get the materials to do this, the door jamb, it'll fit in there just right. I'm making sure that this piece is level, but also I'm looking at around the room at the other rails that I've put in, and I want to make sure that it is consistent all around. So you can see there's a decent gap there where the plywood has shifted a little. So what I do is take a screw, pull it in, put it into the plywood, and I pull the plywood out as a nail, and the nail will keep it all uniform so that space went away for the most part, and what's left I can just finish up with some caulk. Thanks for watching. Check out these other videos that I've got listed here, and then make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking, right here. Make sure you subscribe. So when you click this, I kind of will just come up in your newsfeed. So if you enjoyed this video, then I know you're gonna want to subscribe by clicking here. Thanks. See you next time.